Welcome to Joyful Living DMV. We invest in real estate. Don't forget to subscribe to Joyful Living DMV YouTube channel and visit us online at JoyfulLivingDMV.com.
Okay, so here we're on one of the sides of the property. This is actually the side of the property where the bedrooms are. It's the darker side of the house. One of the things that we did is we trimmed up quite a few dead branches that were unsightly and made it a little bit difficult to walk through here. We also did raking, just cleaned up the pine cones and things that were along here, did some weeding, and just general trash cleanup. We've also cleaned the gutters along the whole side of, around the whole house. So we did the pruning. Mostly the pruning was just things that were already dead, just cleaning up. Easy side of the house. This side with having so much darkness is not really going to be a great place to plant grass seed or anything.
Thank you for watching. We ask that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Joyful Living DMV, to automatically see our latest videos.